Axie Infinity is an emerging player in the crypto world. With every little time in the market, this game has shown some very promising models. It is known that investors are curious about the future of Axie Infinity. What's the next Axie? What can one expect from one's investment in Axie? These are some of the questions swirling around every crypto investor's head. Hello and welcome to our daily crypto events. Also, we're giving away $25 at the end of next month to one of our random subscribers to start their crypto journey. To participate, all you need to do is like the video, subscribe, and comment on your favorite cryptocurrency in the comment section below. So without further explanation, let's dive into the topic. In today's video, we are going to break down all the details that you need to know about the newly emerged crypto, Axie Infinity. Sounds good? Well, let's get started. Well, if you're such an active investor, then this video will be the perfect place for you. So sit back and stay with us until the end as we share the future of Axie Infinity with you and let you know if it's a profitable investment. Cryptocurrencies have gradually spread in the mainstream consciousness and have gained traction. However, many of them have not withstood the test of time and will continue to do so as long as it's mass adopted. When a revolutionary property steps in, maybe focus on what the masses crave: fun. Throughout entertainment, one can focus on creating more wealth, which became apparent when the Axie Infinity protocol was invented. The in-game token means that the Axie Infinity Shard token has been specially created with a view to offer an eclectic mix of crypto and gaming interests. All the benefits of playing are built on top of blockchain algorithms, where anyone can earn tokens thanks to their game acumen, creating more fun ways to earn. Before getting started with actual Axie Infinity price predictions, let's take a look at the overview. Founded on the interests of the gaming, crypto, and blockchain industries, Axie Infinity is built on top of the Ethereum network. And this is not all. There are countless ways to earn Axie, but as part of cutting-edge technology like blockchain rewards players for joining, completely unprecedented, but in the world of Axie Infinity. So get ready to join the play-to-earn revolution called Axie Infinity. Inspired by the Pokemon identity-based universe, Axie Infinity allows users to earn tokens that show the ability to game, play, collect, nurture, and build a land kingdom for animals, the Re-Ring. All Axie assets and genetic data are simply extensible by third parties, allowing the entire ecospace of developers to find the base of our tools and experience their own. Recently founded in 2018, although the Axie protocol is still in its infancy, Axie has ranked the #1 Ethereum game and remains the top choice of daily, weekly active users and monthly. As a major revenue generator for Ethereum, Axie Infinity has generated over 6,400 ETH to date. On the one hand, Axie symbolizes the era of games and entertainment. On the other hand, it reflects the value of social responsibility, in that it creates job opportunities for the masses and builds a strong community environment, setting the path towards a sustainable foundation. Users can own Axie Market's original Axie Infinity tokens, collect and use them in an ever-expanding game universe. With a market cap of $2,686,832,085 and trading volume at $2,097,401,279, the current price action of Axie Infinity reflects a moderate correction. The price of AXS is around $44, and there are many good reasons to surprise users according to the latest news updates regarding the NFT boom. Axie Infinity already has a circulating supply of 60,907,500 AXS, and the founders of Axie Infinity are optimistic that the mass adoption of Axie Infinity as a leader holds a lot of promise for fans, according to their technical analysis. Axie Infinity has great support from its parent, the Axie Infinity Foundation, which has contributed significantly to mass sales. However, according to technical price analysis, the Axie Infinity ecosystem has shown tremendous potential, constantly showing the hidden potential. AXS is showing a massive recovery today, showing a highly bullish pattern supported by strong growth despite negative cryptocurrency market trends, competing with competitors like Stellar and Ethereum, Axie Infinity. Volatility is a natural feature of Axie Infinity, and as such, any kind of overly strained price prediction would be a daunting task. But the mood seems quite positive according to experts' forecast and price assessments. Since last month, the Axie Infinity price reflects a dire bull run. This is because Axie has undergone many major changes recently. The first thing we'll say is that the season will now be 2 weeks longer than usual. So they have extended the seasons, and you'll have an extra play and extra time to earn all the different rewards, especially in PvP. And they push the rewards more on the PvP side. We'll talk about why in a moment, but when it comes to how much you can still earn in this game, they've effectively cut it in half. So as for how much you can earn daily, they limited this to the PvE scenario. So if you complete the whole adventure circuit now, you'll have 50 SLP instead of 100. In the same kind of contrast for daily tasks, they've reduced it from 50 to 25 SLP per day. While this significantly affects the amount of money one can make per hour, the most skilled player can earn anywhere from $9 to $15 an hour. However, they've increased the PvP rewards by making up for the almost 50% rate reduction. And the reason they did so is that PvE-type adventure items are much easier to buy, which makes a lot of sense. Now, the question of the day is, will the latest developments help AXS prices trade higher? Let's continue with the unbiased crypto prediction for the AXS token. A bear market has been going on in Axie Infinity since the beginning of this year. The token is trading around support levels, but has seen massive upside momentum since last month. This digital asset is set to break through all hurdles and perform excellently, and if the market turns positive, it'll expand the key resistance as mentioned above. Overcoming all restrictions in the coming year, AXS will rise and bring good luck to its users. Backed by powerful smart contracts, the Axie Infinity price could easily hit the key $65 resistance by the end of 2021. Given that there are no sudden surprises or thorny paths for the crypto market, the AXS token is poised to demonstrate its strong position as a major attraction for crypto markets with users. Provided that investor confidence continues to explode, the road ahead is full of leaves, and it has caused a huge push that allowed the price of Axie Infinity shards to break through all the hurdles to reach $88. Axie Infinity has built a fast, reliable network, and it's working on the user experience of the product. These features could help the AXS coin rise to $96.80. If the momentum for functional crypto continues through 2023, the AXS price could skyrocket in terms of the pattern, and users could reap substantial profits. There are quite a few Axie Infinity predictions for the token. There are assumptions that the price of AXS could reach $120, $145, especially after the company's design, technology, and advancement announcements. The advantage is especially taken by its security and scalability features. Attractive promotional projects can do the rest and keep investors profitable. AXS is active in community initiatives, given that they continue the momentum to achieve significant market value. Startups focused on education, outreach, and innovation could get them to $140. In a long-term scenario for Axie Infinity's forecast, for example around 2026, the AXS token price is set to accelerate the pace of other cryptocurrencies to reach a net price point of $160. Incredible optimism is expected for AXS, mainly due to its stable performance over the years. Axie Infinity will be stable to deliver stellar returns to its investors. Based on the data, it can be predicted that it's possible to invest in Axie Infinity in the long term. Long term, we can call it Axie Infinity price prediction for 5 years or more. Before ending this, please note that cryptocurrency prices change frequently, so by the time you watch this video, it may have changed to a completely new value. The information provided in this video is not investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other type of advice, and you should not consider any such content. The content in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Do your due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions.